So I'm shooting this hours before the snow's supposed to start. It's supposed to start maybe 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. And this is what, maybe 2:30, something like that, 2 o'clock. So yeah, this is what we're looking at right now. Still coming down. Pretty hard too. It's 14.5 inches right now is what I've measured. Walk around just a little bit in it. Holy cow. This is what I'm looking at. I've got on some boots, but it's going to go down inside those boots if I'm not careful. Yep, it's going in. We'll shoot just a few minutes here. I figure we'll get 10 inches to a foot. That's what I'm kind of banking on. Here's kind of how the yard or the garden looks now that it's all kind of dead for winter. I've got to prune my grapes pretty soon. I'll probably do that after this snow event. I walked actually through there. You can see little slight indentations. Went out and fed some birds, but it snowed 6 or 7 inches since then, I guess. Nikki wanted me to get the new bird feeder, so I will. The red feeder on that tree over there, it's supposed to be squirrel proof. I am personally of the opinion that nothing is squirrel proof. A squirrel will find any way it can. It will invent ways to get bird seed and stuff. I think squirrels are the most insidious, brilliant creatures on this planet, but there it is from Lowe's. And I guess when a squirrel gets on this, it goes down and they can't get the food. But a bird can sit on that and get it. Little birds over there on top of the snow. The roof is piled up, buddy. Go back in, stay warm best I can.